Hold on to your hats. These cheesy meatball pockets bring all the warmth and fun to the dinner table, and with everyday ingredients too, like biscuits, frozen meatballs, marinara sauce, diced tomatoes, cheese, and herbs. It's just sliced meatballs. You can use pre-made frozen ones for ultimate convenience. The slices get stacked onto dough, which is just biscuit dough that's been rolled into 6-inch wide discs. Again, using pre-made dough makes this all the easier and more delicious. A hearty spoonful of marinara sauce and a spoonful of diced tomatoes, topped with plenty of cheese for that perfect, irresistible stringy cheese pull. Then pull the dough over the filling and secure the edges with a fork. Once all your pockets are assembled, make a few slices at the top for a vent, and cover each pocket with more cheese and a sprinkle of Italian herbs. It gets baked for 10 to 12 minutes, and we have all the fun pulling it apart and dipping all the delicious bites. And it is all with delicious, nutritious beef.